Hello everybody, CozyAzeroth aka Zachary Fruhling here, back with another type-in program from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. This time we have program number 5, which is Secret Message. We're going to go ahead and read the program description, type in the program into the Classic 99 emulator, run it a few times and see how it works, and then we're going to stop the stream and move on to a future program. If you're watching this on YouTube after the fact, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel for other TI-99 4A content, along with other retro programming content and some modern gaming, especially World of Warcraft. If you're watching this live on Twitch right now, be sure to check out my YouTube channel. You can find it under CozyAzeroth or under my real name, Zachary Fruhling. And remember to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Okay, program number 5, Secret Message. Secret messages can be lots of fun. They often are composed of codes in which letters of the alphabet have been replaced by numbers. In this easy-to-use program, the computer generates a list of pseudo-random numbers and assigns one number to each letter of the alphabet. You use the numbers in lieu of letters to write notes to your friends. There is very little chance of the same number being assigned to two different letters because available numbers range from 0 to 999. When typing this program into your computer, be sure to separate the alphabet letters with commas in line 100. By the way, note the nice two-column screen printing format. Line 250 does that. Okay, here is the first part of the program. Let's see, it's not going to fit on, I guess it will. It fits on one page, doesn't it? So let's type it in. You can see what the end result's going to look like. We have a random number between, I think, either 0 or 1 and 999 assigned to each letter. Another example, sample run. Let's type this in. First thing we need to do is get into TI Basic. We're in the Classic 99 emulator, as I said earlier. Okay, 10 randomize. 20. Call clear. That clears the screen. Okay, then we have line 100, data. Okay, we have A through M separated by commas. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Yes. Okay, then we have line 110, N through Z. Data, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. There we go, I'll know my ABCs. Okay, 210 for N equals 1 to 13. Excuse me, not 210, 200. 200 for N equals 1 to 13. .210, C equals int, it's integer, of 1000 times R&D. Okay, 220, read L string. Okay, 230. D equals int of 1000 times R&D. .240, read J string. Okay, 250, print, be careful about this statement here. Okay, L string, colon, or semicolon, excuse me, L string, semicolon. We have quote, space, quote. Then we have, it's like semicolon C, comma, J string, J string, semicolon. Okay, quote, space, quote. And semicolon D. Okay, and I think it's just 260, next N. This is not a very long program, quite short actually. Let's double check it. 10 randomized, 20 call clear, 100 and 110 are our two data statements. Line 200 is a for next loop, goes from lines 200 to 260. C defines a variable, basically a numeric variable from 1 to 1,000. Same thing, line 230 and lines 220 and 240 respectively create variables that are generated from the data in lines 100 to 110. Basically, every time the loop runs through, it grabs a different item in the sequence from that data string. Then print just prints the respective lines on the screen. So I think that's everything. Let's run it. And here's our secret code right here. Okay, that's all it does. Let's grab a screenshot of this. Let's see, do we have any two that are the same? Nothing's jumping out at me. I mean, we could create a subroutine that checks to make sure that there are no two numbers the same, but that would be a bit longer program, so I'm not going to do that in this video, but that would be a good addition to add. Let's run the program again so we can get a screenshot here. Trying to get a screenshot before it turns back blue, but that's okay. Anyways, let's list out the program again. That was it secret code, I think it was called? Yep. No, secret message, excuse me, secret message. So, this isn't a secret message itself, it's just a code for generating a secret message. Alright, do we have any two numbers that are the same there? It's not likely, but it is possible. I don't see any at a glance. So far, so good. But anyways, that was Secret Message from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. Program number 5, Secret Message. If you are watching this on YouTube, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel for other TI-99 4A related content, some retro programming content in modern programming languages, some modern programming, modern gaming, especially World of Warcraft. And if you're watching this on Twitch, likewise, be sure to check out my YouTube channel. You can find it under CozyAzeroth or under my real name, Zachary Fruhling. And on either platform, remember to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate your time viewing this video. I'll be back essentially I'm going to do all 101 programs one video at a time. So I'll be back with program number 6 before you know it. Maybe not today. I might be running out of steam on this today. But stay tuned, and I'll be back in future days with future programs from this book. One of my favorite retro programming books. I had this book when I was a kid, and I spent hours poring over the programs in this book, so it's fun to take a little time and type them into an emulator and take a trip down memory lane. Anyways, hope everyone's having a good day, and I will catch you down the road. Appreciate it.